Hey everybody, I'm back. Whoa, I'm Pastor Marco on this Marco journey. Yeah. Woo, what a hot weather. 97 degrees today here in Wilton, South Carolina. Woo, I was sweating hot. No air conditioning now when I'm doing video. And some of the day I don't. Because I don't want to overwork. I put medicine in the fridge. Some things in the fridge. But anyway, oh, a lot of things going on. Something doesn't work on my phone. I have to try to fix it soon. I may have to upgrade. Maybe it'll work. So on the first I will do that. Next 2 days I'll wait to see any different. Nothing. I'll wear it on the first. Then, my neighbor will try to fix the MO caption. No, NO caption. It's like a relay service. A little different. Check them out. I gotta go. Take it easy. Ciao.